Hi, I'm Matt Close and I'm the UK Head of Operations for NeoDyne. We do automation, system integration, so it might be PLC and SCADA, right through to grid connection, substation design, which might involve ETAP or strike risk or the design around those. So it's quite broad ranging. Traditionally, we always say food and beverage and consumer packaging, life sciences. We are taking on new areas of work on a regular basis. NeoDyne are helping customers on their digital transformation journey on a wide variety of aspects, and that can be really small, quick wins for simple business use cases, right through to multi-million-pound MES rollouts, so it really does vary. NeoDyne are focused on cybersecurity and digitization, as I think they're going to be real growth areas in the coming years. Cybersecurity in an OT environment are more about resilience and the ability to keep things going out the door, rather than the IT world and the difference that brings. NeoDyne being an endorsed Aviva partner is one of the things that sets us apart from other system integrators. It's quite a select group, and that enables us to deliver solutions that maybe other partners aren't able to. And that, combined with being a Schneider Alliance partner, allows us to provide offerings that others can't.